All packed and loaded, ready to go. GPS set. This is the first time we start our journey when the sky is still dark. So follow, where are we going now?
Kelulut campsite, Semenyih.
Yay! It takes around 1 hour and 5 minutes, 50 kilometers from Subang Jaya. We are at the Seminyih Chinese Pasar. Now we have reached the Seminyih Chinese market that opened at 6 o'clock. Here, majority are Hakka, so you can hear people speak Hakka here. My goodness, see so much food in the water. Now leaving, going to the campsite. Kita sudah sampai. This is some of the things we bought just now at Seminyih Chinese market because someone sudah curi makan. Ooh, someone arrived. After helping them set up the fire in the rig, now they set up their new tent for campsite review. This is the main road. From main road, you turn left. This is the Kelulut campsite. On the right is actually Fasa 1. On the left is actually Fasa 2. And going straight here is Fasa 3. Okay, now we show you Fasa 2 first. So we will turn left. There are two levels here. Upper level 18 and 19. And the block point is at the back of here. Okay, so this is 20, 21, 22 and 23. So this is 24, then 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, A, B, C. Here's the river. They don't have toilet, but they have a pipe. So opposite there is actually Fasa 3. The vehicles need to cross the river bridge here. So let's check it out at Fasa 3. Okay, this is the view from Fasa 3 looking towards Fasa 2 upper and lower level. Then on the left you can see Fasa 1 and all the facility. And the end there are our tapak 4 and 5. By the owner. So in front here, this is tapak 31, 31. Block 1 is here, 32. I don't know why there's a chair there. 32, then 33, and then 34. Then on top. Then the top one is the new one. 34, 36, 37, 38. Okay, after 39, then the Fasa 3 have their own toilet there. It's a new toilet. Let's check it out. Squat and seated toilet. And got shower. Shower without shower head. 2 male, 2 female. Okay, for this tapak right, you can see there is a good pool up here. Yeah, these are the sunrise tracking. DVD, that's why you up there. Then you can see the Kelulut one is up there. The Kelulut theme farm. Now you see up here, the people now tracking down. Fasa 1 here, then here is Fasa 1. Let's check out the facilities here. Here they can manage the rubbish. So we have to throw the rubbish before 6:30 every day. Someone will pick up the rubbish. beside the rubbish place, this is where all the ATVs for rent. Later we will also share the how much is it to rent ATV. So this store, that's not open. Selling burger, sausage, roll. Here got one kedai room kit, and here got no telco, no network. So that is a satellite network for rent. One phone 3 ringgit, two phone 5 ringgit. We also have camping plans for rent. Package A 150, package B 100 ringgit, and all other things, including fans, chairs, and stove. This is the one and
The only one.
the only one seated toilet in Pasar 1.
Next to the surround.
Male toilets. Both of the toilets are squat toilets. Check out the
Water pressure.
okay lah, acceptable. Pasal satu, this is 17. Okay, 14, 15, 14, 13, there's a 10. Let's cross over the other side. It's 13, so this is 12. See the plug points over there. I think today the river really jetted. Okay, 11, 10. Okay, from here onwards is T9, tapak 9, tapak 8, tapak 9, correct? Tapak 8. This is 7, this is 6. See, from there onwards you see all the big rocks. This got private area, tapak 4, tapak 5, higher level. Good morning. Breakfast time. Hah? New home. Ini kuih apa? Kuih bako. Mam akankan jiran baru. Going to fried bihun for lunch. Three years later. You buat egg? Apa you dapat? Wah, sons of Seminyih. Wah, bestnya dia punya tip. Dinner is ready. Jiran give us this their BBQ food. Kenalan baru. Hai. Good morning. Ayah. Tengok ada balak. Bye, CK and James. All loaded, ready to go home. Bye bye, Kelulut campsite.